Hi guys, Robert Rivera here with the Rivera Trading Group, and this is the weekly recap. I think this is weekly recap 67. I'm not sure. You have to look at the number because I can't remember. So this is the first setup of the week. We opened with a gap on Sunday evening going into Monday, and we have this consolidation on the top. We're waiting to see if price is coming up or down. It looks like an inverted head and shoulder happening here, but we won't know depending on which way price breaks. We will go with it. This is the results. It moved to the upside. It just messed around here quite a bit. I was trading live with the team, and this kind of messed around here. We ended up taking gold instead because this was too messy. I mean, eventually it broke out, it retested and took off. But if all you did was take it from the top, then you got 36 pips, breakout, retest, zero drawdown, very nice. I don't have the results from the gold because I never had a setup to go with other than the one we did live, and I went ahead and deleted the results because again, I couldn't find the setup. So we'll ignore that. Let's keep going. Then we had the next day, we had GBP another beautiful consolidation, waiting to see which way it is going to break. And this broke completely to the downside. I was trading this live with the team. We basically saw this on the 15 minute. We saw a pin bar created at the 50 moving average. This is the beautiful first attempt at breakout, pull back, and then breakout. And so I will count this as a win, not necessarily all these pips, but I will count this as a win, given the fact that we were trading this live and we took it as it went. Beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous. Then we have another beautiful consolidation. This is gold, waiting to see which way it wants to go. We're not quite sure. This was pretty weak. This is a breakout, 21 pips with zero drawdown because it bounced from here and it went up 21 pips. But I'm going to call this a break even. The reason I'm going to call this a break even is because stop loss being down here, we needed a 1-to-1 at least. We never did get our 1-to-1. Can't call this a loss because it went over 20 pips. After 20 pips, stop loss goes to break even. So we'll just call this a break even. Okay. Now let's see what else we get. Let's go. This is gold. You have another beautiful consolidation. This was a huge, massive zone, and I couldn't get away from it, right? Because I would try to get it tighter, but then it would be so messy in the middle, and I just couldn't ignore the fact that this is the actual consolidation. But it turned out to be a good one because it broke out, retested, gave us about a 12 pip drawdown right there, but it retested for 52 pips. So that was a beautiful win also. GBP I believe this is the same day. Nice consolidation after the drop. I'm kind of interested in sales here. I'm not quite sure what happened, but I'm interested in sales as a continuation of the drop. Let's see what happened. No, it did not sell. It went to the upside. Right, it went up to the upside, retested, and the retest failed. So we're going to call this a loser. And we're going to call this a loser because unless you took the breakout for 22 pips, which would have been a win on the breakout, the retest did not give us a successful retest. So I'm going to call this a fail because it went up like 13 pips or something like that, and then it crashed. Can't really take advantage of that. So that's a loss. Okay, then we have this GBP JPY on the 9th. Nice, beautiful consolidation. Again, this might have been able to put a little tighter, but why do that when these are the clear areas of friction based on this action over here, this action right here, this action right here. These are the areas of friction. What happened? Let's find out. We have a breakout, we have a retest, we have 38 pips and 8 pip drawdown. Very nice. Stopping exactly at supply. We don't mess around when price gets to supply. We either wait for it over here to sell it or we take our profit if we sold into it. Then this is from last night. Again, I discussed this on a previous video. Just beautiful a trend line. Just very, very clear trend line. We consider putting a sell limit, a sell stop right here with news. I kind of anticipated based on the action, based on the structure, that this is coming down, but it took off without us. It took off without us. So It gave us a 156 pip breakout. It went for a 65 pip retest, beautiful retest, clean retest. I'm sure some people on the team took this. I had already taken gold and went to bed. And this is gold. This is gold from last night. We had in the 15-minute supply here with it mitigated and then drop. And now we have a higher supply that we're waiting to see if price comes to. Price came straight to it, rejected. We took the sell and we won for 51 pips. And so the final numbers for the week are basically 6 wins, 1 loss, 1 break even for a 75% win rate. A total of 414 pips were given with 28 pip drawdown. Not too shabby, not too shabby. And if all you did was take a 1-to-1 on our setups, if all you did was take the 1-to-1 on our setups, you gained 5% this week. Not too bad. And that's going to be it for the week. Looking forward for a great week next week. And again, I encourage everybody, if you're looking for a community of traders that will help you understand what's going on in the markets and give you great content and value, join us at Team Take Profits. We trade live about 4 to 5 times a week. We give out setups every night, and we break it down for those who are in the Master Trader class. And then we have 2 classes a week, which we also break down for Skill Trader and up. Okay, that's it for now. God bless you all. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.